previously recorded. Let's go. Go on, Grandma. Go on, get your little taste in there. Child, I'm about to tell y'all. Ain't as good, Grandma. What you think about the gravy on top of it, girl?
That will take it off.
God dang, I done hooked this up, y'all. Okay. Go on, try the bread and tell them if you think it tastes like yesterday. Or do it taste like some fresh bread?
Bread still good.
Yeah. Okay. Bon appetit. I love y'all. Peace to every one of y'all. Y'all have a good one. All right, y'all. Leave comments down below and let us know what y'all think. Let me know what y'all done decided to pull out that refrigerator and mix on up together.
Be just as good.
Balling on the budget. Hey y'all, it's your girl Tia, not gonna be me, and I'm coming at you with a small Walmart grocery haul. I want to thank y'all for coming here, y'all. Welcome to my channel if you was new, and welcome back to all my old sugar boos. But one thing I want you to do is put that dunk on a dunk and ring the doorbell. If you don't know what that is, that means hit the thumbs up, the like button one time for the one time while you have the chance to. Okay, thank you for coming, child. Okay, but I also got a second channel. The name of my second channel is Boss Up Cleaning. That's where I put all my cleaning videos, organization, decorate. So if you like anything like that, I ask that you run on over and show that channel some love. And when you do, leave a comment down below in the comments and let me know that you have joined the family. All right, y'all, let's get into this short video. It's gonna be a real short one because I ain't really have to get much, but it was enough. All right, thank y'all for coming, and I will see y'all in the next video. Alrighty, y'all, so starting over here, I have some russet potatoes. Just a 5-pound bag of potatoes. Everything is from Walmart, no different stores. I have 2 packs of thick sliced bacon. And I like the thick sliced bacon, y'all, because that bacon don't really shrivel up like any other bacon. I have a bottle of Crystal hot sauce. And I also have the Chick-fil-A original sauce. I have 2 bags of onion rings. Grandma gonna be glad to see those. I got some a bag of French fries. This is the 5-pound bag. All right, so like I was saying, I got a big bag of crinkle cut French fries. I have a bag of 12 count 100% pure beef hamburgers. 75% lean. Those pretty good, y'all. They sell them in the red bag too, but I always get this bag because they're cheaper than the red bag. Because you know the red bag is the ones that supposed to have lesser fat. I think it's like, is it 85, 95% lean, something like that. But anyway, I got 2 jars of pickled ginger. I got a container of honey, 2 bell peppers. I have a bag of onions. 2 of the hash brown patties. I have a bag of light brown sugar. Back here I have 2 lemons. A pack of styrofoam cups, 20 count. I also have some Dublin wine. Dublin. I don't know if you're supposed to say Dublin, but I'm gonna put the P in there and say Dublin. Dublin wine, Carolina red, and it's 12% alcohol, y'all. And I was told about this alcohol from one of my family members here, Big Baby Boo, and so yeah, I'll be trying that out. I got 2 of the imperial butters. I have, well, margarine. I have 2 of the kernel corn. They got some good corn, y'all. Corn on the cob. Not kernel corn, corn on the cob. Walmart got some good off-brand corn on the cob, and it's sweet too, just to let y'all know, because y'all know sometimes you buy corn that's off-brand, it don't be sweet. So they corn is sweet, y'all. I got 2 loofahs, one that's blue and black and one that is green and black. And then I got 2 of the aluminum foils. Now y'all, in Walmart sell the aluminum foil for 98 cents now. And it's been quite a while that they've been having it. But the thing about that I like now is that Walmart have the aluminum foil for 98 cents, because I used to go to the Dollar Tree and get my aluminum foil from there, and it wasn't the one that was in the red box. It was the one that was in the silver box. I think it was like silver and blue, mainly silver though. And so I used to like to go and get day foil because it was $1 and it was some good foil. Well, now I find out, yes, everybody is buying the aluminum foil now. And so now they done started getting cheap with the foil, because it used to be some decent foil, but now that foil done got to where it's too thin for me now. So I'm glad that Walmart sells aluminum foil for 98 cents. So yeah, y'all know aluminum foil can get kind of pricey. Okay, so then I got a box of Star Crunch and a box of unicorn pies. Then we have 2 boxes of Georgia Boy sausages. And this what they look like right here, y'all, just in case y'all ain't never seen these before, but they is good. And then I got a bag of swat fillet fish. Y'all know that I love the fried fish. This is the fish I fry whenever we do our fish fry this or whatever. So this is the fish that I buy, and this is some real good fish. This fish is almost like catfish, if you ask me. Then I have a bag of large shrimp peeled in the vein. So we got that. Then I got a bag of mussels. They come 2 in a pack. Y'all, the mussels is good too. If y'all don't know nothing about Walmart mussels, they be busting. Okay, so then I got another bag of shrimp right there. Then moving right along over here on this side, don't pay attention to the seasons. I just had my seasonings sit on the counter because that's what I was going to use. So in order to get them out of the way, I just put them in a bag and set them in the sink. All right, so anyway, we got some deep moisturizing body wash. I love this body wash, y'all. Get 2 in the pack and it's for a reasonable price. So I use these. I got 2 of those. And then I have a box of Apollo body wash, and that smells so good, y'all. If you want your man to smell good, child, get him some of this right here, baby. Okay, you will lay with your nose right on him. All right, so then I have some of this fabric softener. Now over on my second channel, if y'all don't know anything about it, I have a second channel which is Boss Up Cleaning. And whenever I do my laundry, I know some people have asked several times, what fabric softener do I use? They always see me with some pods, but they don't know what it is. So this is the fabric softener that I use, and they got it in different scents, y'all. All of them smell good. Okay, so I got these right here, and I like the pods because I'm heavy-handed when it comes to liquid. So yeah, y'all, these are some good fabric softener, and they smell so good. All right, so then got some panty liners. Y'all know you got to have your little hygiene stuff and a pack of maxi pads, child. You know. So yeah, y'all. So this is all the stuff that I got today. And I also did a live video where I went out shopping. So if you want to see that, then I ask that you go over and watch that video as well. It was like a 2.5 hour long video. So yeah, if y'all want to watch me run around to Walmart and pick up all this stuff, then go on over to my channel and click and find that video where it says let's go shopping live. So yeah. All right, y'all. So I love y'all. Peace, love, and many, many blessings to each and every one of you guys. And until the next video, this your girl T, not gonna be me. Y'all don't forget to ring that doorbell, hit the thumbs up, the like button that is, and also don't forget to go over and show my second channel some love. Y'all have a good one. Peace.